Welcome to Prognozy Capital, where we provide you with the latest market update as of the 1st of December 2023. Let's dive into the index performance. The Nifty closed positively at 20,267.9, showing an increase of 134.75 points. We observed long buildups with an open interest of 3,091 contracts. Moving on to the Nifty option buildups for the 7th of December 2023 expiry. We noticed a buildup in resistance or call option at 21,000, with a 30.58% increase in open interest. Additionally, there was a buildup in support or put option at 20,000, with a 12.55% increase in open interest. Interestingly, new call writers shifted down from 21,000 to 20,600, while new put writers shifted up from 20,000 to 20,200. These shifts suggest a range contraction in the market. Now let's shift our focus to banknifty. It closed positively at 44,814.2, showing a gain of 332.45 points. Short covering was observed with a decrease in open interest of -8,346.6 contracts. Analyzing the banknifty option buildups for the 6th of December 2023 expiry. We found a buildup in resistance or call option at 45,000, with a 127.45% increase in open interest. Additionally, there was a buildup in support or put option at 44,800, with a significant increase of 466.98% in open interest. It's worth noting that new call writers remained the same at 45,000, while new put writers shifted up from 42,000 to 44,800. These shifts indicate an aggressive move by new put writers, suggesting a potential breakout. Let's now take a look at the data analysis in the cash segments. Today, FII bought 1,589.61 crore, while DII bought 1,448.08 crore. In the FII data analysis for the F&O segments, we observed that FII bought 702.6 crore in index futures and sold 12,151.38 crore in index options. They also bought 4,682.86 crore in stocks futures and sold 519.61 crore in stock options. Overall, there was a net sale of 7,285.54 crore by FII. The latest data on FII activity in the derivatives market reveals some interesting trends. In the index futures segment, FII has added 6,932 long contracts and closed 2,855 short contracts. As a result, FII is now net short in the index with -47,161 contracts, compared to the previous -56,948 contracts. Moving on to the stocks futures segment, FII has added 34,332 long contracts and closed 29,563 short contracts. This has led to FII being net long in stocks with 133,609 contracts, a significant increase from the previous 69,714 contracts. Now, let's take a look at the index options segment. There are bullish buildups in play, as FII has added 286486 call long contracts and 378,791 put short contracts. The total number of call long and put short contracts for the day stands at 665,277. On the other hand, there are bearish buildups as well, with FII adding 305,640 put long contracts and 396,213 call short contracts. The total number of put long and call short contracts for the day is 701,853. In terms of FII's index option analysis, the net put long contracts currently stand at 240,625, a decrease from the previous 313,776 contracts. As for net call long contracts, they amount to 54,447, down from the previous 164,174 contracts. The higher number of option buildups on the short side suggests that the upside potential may be limited. Thank you so much for tuning in. We truly appreciate your support and would love for you to join our YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Twitter as well, where we share even more exciting content. For more information and updates, make sure to check out our Telegram and WhatsApp channels. Once again, thank you for watching.